Welcome to my channel! Hello kids! I'm your teacher Zell. Welcome to our science class, Quarter 1, Weekly Day 2. Today, we're going to study about science process skills. Objective. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to describe predicting as a science process skills. Activity. Look around. Look around the classroom and give 5 observations. What is the shape, color, texture, and size of the candle? What did you do? In order to give me these answers, do you know that through careful observations, you can guess what can happen to things? What is the skill that is based on careful observations and is used in performing simple science activities? Now you know that in observing, you use your senses to gather information around us. It is the most basic science process skills, and it is needed in applying other more complex skills. Prepare an unlit candle using cakes. Hold or touch candle. Smell it. Look at it closely. What is the shape, color, texture, and size of the candle? What did you do in order to give me these answers? Do you know that through careful observation, you can guess what will or can happen on two things? What is a skill that is based on careful observations and is used in performing simple science activities? Arrange the letter to form a word. It is like being a detective. Look at the clues and use what you already know to guess what might happen next. What is your answer? Good job predicting. In this lesson, the learners will observe teachers-led demonstrations that will allow them to guess what will happen next. Based on their observed pattern, they will be asked to describe predicting as a science process skill. Activity 1. Small amount about 1 tablespoon of water in a watch glass or clean container placed outside the room. Observe what will happen to the water of amount 1 tablespoon. Word factory. Number 1, we have here pattern. Number 2, in here. And number 3, picture. One, a pattern. The picture shows a number pattern. You'll get the next number by adding 1 to the last number. This is 2 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. Word factory. Clear. Bosco hears meow sounds behind the wall. He fears that the two cats are playing. Number 3, future artist look in the mirror. She imagines herself becoming a doctor in the future. Match the term in column A to the pair of synonyms in column B. Post the table below on the board. One, pattern order guide. Two, infer assume guess. Future coming tomorrow. How can you tell what will happen next? Let's do definite. Number 2. How can you tell what will happen next? You need materials, small candle, match for different sizes of blasters, stopwatch, small and large knives of the following: rubber eraser, marbles, crayons, black and wood, pencils and coins, one-piece basin with water. One afternoon, Theo, Kaloy, and John are playing outside when they notice the surroundings darkening and the sky becoming gloomy. Some of the kids start running home. Gloomy means dark but gloomy lighted. What do you think will happen next? Good job, kids! Scenario 2. Her science class, Rosario observed that the balloon gets bigger and bigger as air is pumped inside. What would happen if the air were continuously pumped inside the balloon? Part B. How long will the candle keep on burning? Observe as your teacher performs the demonstration. Complete the table by writing the burning time of the candle. Burning time is the time observed when the candle is burning until the flame goes out. Use a stopwatch to determine the time. Size of a jar: small, medium, and large. Part C. Will it sink or float? Small marbles, small crayons, and small pencils. Did it float or sink? Check large marble, large crayons, large pencil. Did it float or sink? Observe as your teacher places small coins into the basin with water. What happened next? What happened to the small coins? It sank, it floated. Sank, and floated. What will happen if a large coin is placed inside into the basin with water? Explain your answer. In answering the question about what will happen next, you must use one of the basic science process skills lighted candle. It allows us to tell